So this is the TERNO sleeve, also known as the Filipiniana sleeve or the butterfly sleeve. I made this one. It's a very beautiful sleeve. As you can see, we have gathers around this area, and this part is structured. There is interfacing, a very strong interfacing on the inside that is giving it this structured look. So in today's video, we're going to be learning how to make this beautiful TERNO sleeve design or Filipiniana sleeve or butterfly sleeve. We're going to be learning how to make this. Okay, so let's go straight into the video. So in drafting the TERNO sleeve, the first measurement that I need is my armhole circumference, my arm side, and I'll be using 18 inches. Then I'll divide 18 by 4. Whatever armhole circumference you have divided by 4, this is 4.5. So I'll measure a square of 4.5 by 4.5 inches. I think I'll just have to use this paper. 4.5 by 4.5. I'll also mark it on this line, on this part too. 4.5 by 4.5. I'm going to fold this paper into 4. That's why I'm measuring it on. I'm measuring it twice rather. I'm going to fold this paper into 4. Let me just mark it. Or you can just say 4.5 times 2, which is 9. So you cut out a square of 9 inches by 9 inches. I think that will just be fine. I'll make it work faster. 9 inches by 9 inches. Let me confirm. This is 9 inches here. 9 inches. I think this is better. Whatever you have after dividing your arm side by 4, multiply by 2, then mark it out on your paper to get a perfect square. So okay, so this is my paper, 9 inches by 9 inches. So I'll fold it into 4 equal squares. 4 equal squares. Okay, so this is folded into 1, 2, 3, 4, into 4 equal parts. Then the next thing I'll do is to mark out my oval shape. I'll just start with 3 inches by 2.5. Then I'll check if I'll connect and check if I have 4.5 inches. So this is how I'm going to check it. I'll use my measuring tape to go around. Oh, I have more than 4.5. I have 4.75. So I'll shorten it a little bit. I think I'll do 2.25 here. Reconnect the way I did it the first time. Then confirm the measurement. Let's see if I have 4.5. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, a little more. So I have my 4.5 inches. Then I'll cut out the oval shape. Discard this one only. So this is the oval shape. When you open it up, you have this oval shape like this. So this is a template that I'll be using to draft my TERNO sleeve. So the next thing I'll do is to draw guidelines. I'll just divide my paper into 2 equal parts. I think I have 24.5 here, that's 12.25. And then I'll divide this into Okay, 18 is half of this paper. So I'm just dividing my paper into two equal parts. Okay. So my paper has been divided into two equal parts. Now this part will be for the upper sleeve and this will be for the lower sleeve. Then I'll take my template, this template that I have. Okay, let me just draw out the lines on the template so that it's more visible for all to see. Okay, these are the lines on my template. I'll align this vertical line with this one on my pattern paper and the horizontal line with the horizontal line here. Just watch what I'm doing. Then I'll draw out this oval shape on my pattern paper. Vertical on vertical, horizontal on horizontal. Just like this. Then I'll draw out this oval shape. Okay, so I have my oval shape. Let me just highlight it with a marker. Not showing well with pencil. Okay. Okay, so that's what I have. Okay, so that's what I have. Now, this is a very easy sleeve pattern to draft. Next thing is to extend. Now, this is my upper sleeve, and this is the lower sleeve. So from this upper sleeve, this semicircle, I'll go out by 3 inches. Like I want to create another semicircle of 3 inches. So I just connect like this to form this semicircle. I'll also create another one. So I'm creating two semicircles of 3 inches, 3 inches, 3 inches. Just mark out 3 inches. Okay, so I'll just connect all the dots to form the upper semicircle. So this is what I have right now. The next thing I'll do is to come down by 2 inches to form the M line of my sleeve. 2 inches, then I'll square a line. So this is the M line of my sleeve, of my TERNO sleeve. Okay, so the next thing I'll do is to, let me use my pencil. I'll just extend this line down. This some point here. I'll just take it down to the M line. I'll do the same thing on this side. You can actually draft half of this sleeve, half scale, because what is happening here is happening here. So you can do half. But I'm showing you the full sleeve so that you see what it really looks like. So I want to get the complete part of this the sleeve cap area. I want to get that curved part. So I'll use this template. I'll use this lower part of the template, this curve from this point, this horizontal line, this point here, to this vertical line. So I'll just connect. I'll place this horizontal line, this ending part, on this like this. Just watch me do it. Okay, so I'll draw out the curve. Stop here. Stop at this point here. Then do the same thing on this side. So if you're drafting half scale, I think it's better for you. You not go through the stress of doing it twice. Or you can even place your paper on fold. Okay, so just note that whatever I do on the left, I do on the right. Connect it to your M line. Connect to your M line. Let me use my marker. Connect to your M line. So this is the curve, completing the sleeve curve. I'll also connect this part to my M line and then highlight the curve. Yeah. So our TERNO sleeve pattern is ready. This is my TERNO sleeve, also known as the Filipiniana sleeve. Is it double L? Filipiniana sleeve or butterfly sleeve. This is the sleeve. This is how it looks like. So I'll cut it out and show you what it looks like. Very simple. Very simple sleeve to make. You can put the sleeve on any outfit and you're sure that you'll stand out. Yes, I said so, you stand out. You look classy, you look good. It's actually the national sleeve of the Philippines. Philippine women. It's actually their national sleeve. So feel free to add the sleeve to any of your dresses, your tops, even your wedding dress. Yeah, it's going to make you stand out. You look classy. Oh, see, I'm blowing the trumpet of this sleeve. Anyway, it's a beautiful sleeve. I'm sure you agree with me. So we are done. Now I'm going to show you the last thing to do. If you look at this one I made, you will notice that there are pleats. There are pleats. Yeah. For you to get this structure standing the way it is, you need to pleat. You pleat this one, this part back. You pleat it back to get the structure to stand the way it is standing. Such a beautiful sleeve. So to do that, I'll fold my pattern into two like this. Okay, I'm assuming now that I've cut on my fabric. This should be done on your fabric, not on your pattern paper. So if this is my fabric, I've cut the sleeve on my fabric. So I'll just fold it in, give it a nice press. Then I'll begin to pleat. I want this part, I'm going to use my tracing wheel to soften this part so that it can fold easily. Since this is paper, it's not fabric. Now, if you want the sleeve to have this same structure, the way it's standing, you need to have a very strong interfacing. This is collar stay. I have my collar stay inside, and I have double lining. Okay, because this is lace. This is underlining of my lace, and this is the main lining. So the collar stay is on the main lining. So for you to get that structured look, please ensure that you had a very strong interfacing, not a light interfacing, a strong one, so that it will stand. So the next thing I will do is to start pleating. Okay, so let me start from just watch what I'm doing. You can pleat with some 1/2 inch. You can do 1/4 inch. I think I should tape it down so that you don't see the final. Okay, so this is my first pleat. I'll just tape it down. Do another one. Tape it down. Another one. Tape it. It's already forming the curved part. So you can pleat with 1/2 inch You can do 3/4. Whatever you like, there's no measurement, no standard measurement for this. Now, take note that I'm not going to pleat all the way to the end. When I get to an extent, I'll measure to ensure that my arm side is not reduced. My arm side is reduced, it means that I have to remove some pleats. Remember, my arm side is 18 inches, so I'm expecting 9 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. That's 10. I'm expecting 10 inches. If I'm using what's it called, 1 inch seam allowance. So to measure, I'll start from this point. This is my center point here. I'll measure all the way from. I'll measure from here to this end. I'm looking for 10 inches. Remember, 10 inches. Okay. I have 11.5. So I still have like 1.5 inches to pleat. I'll just do that. Okay, let me check. Let me check again. I need just 10 inches, exactly 10 inches. Okay, I have 10.25. That's not bad. So you can see that this side is already forming the shape that I want. So I'll do the same thing on this other side. I'll just pleat it fast. I'll show you what the final result looks like. So I've gone ahead to pleat it, and this is what the final look looks like. Our TERNO sleeve, or Filipina sleeve, or butterfly sleeve. Okay, let me place it on my mannequin. So this is the final look of my TERNO sleeve. This is the pattern that I drafted just now. So beautiful. Look at the structure. So if you follow my tutorial, you should be able to make this on your own without any supervision, and yours should look exactly like this. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question about the sleeve, drop it in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Do not forget to try out this tutorial and add it to your dresses, to your tops, and so on. Thank you once again. Do have a lovely day. Bye.